Now, this is how you save yourself $200 because now I don't even need to buy a brand new Ninja coffee maker that was making the 5 beeps of death. Alright, if you have this Ninja coffee maker, I've partially disassembled it already, and it is making the 5 beeps of death. So you start a coffee or a clean or anything and it just goes beep, 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 5 beeps and stops brewing. This is how you're going to fix it. You're going to empty it out, take everything apart, get it over to your sink, and don't be alarmed, there's going to be a lot of water that drips out of it, but there's 9 T8 screws, so you're going to need a Torx bit, T8s. I've already taken them out, and this thing comes right apart here. So we're going to set that to the side. Then you're going to undo this. I've already done it to take it apart easy. You're going to pull this piece off, and then you're going to kind of slide all this whole thing, and then this piece comes off right here. There's 2 Phillips head screws you're going to take apart, and just flip this sideways, and your problem is right there. Now, see, I got a flashlight on here. It's not focusing real good, but look at all that garbage and crud in there. So we're going to get that out of there, and then we're going to put this back together. So, you know, you can just use your finger, get some of that out. This is all calcium deposits. Look at that. And that's keeping that thing from heating right there. That's your heater. So we're going to clean this up. We'll get it put back together. Hopefully we fix the problem. Alright, we got that all cleaned out pretty good. Way cleaner. We're going to put it back together, see if she works. Alright, we got it all back together. Now is the moment of truth. We are going to run a clean cycle, so if this gets past about 30 seconds without the 5 beeps, I think we're golden. So it's starting. It already did its heating. Alright, it started. Let's see. Moment of truth. I think we're in good shape. I think we're in good shape. Now, this is how you save yourself $200 because now I don't even need to buy a brand new Ninja coffee maker that was making the 5 beeps of death. We're golden.